Welcome to the Redefining Rich Masterclass, where you're going to learn how to manifest your wealthiest reality. I'm so excited that you're here today. So let's get started. So the first thing is I just want to make sure that you guys can give your full attention to this masterclass. So no distractions. Let's make a pledge to be open-minded and take out a pen and paper and let's take some notes. So you've been probably told to work hard and grind, hustle, be a boss babe. It's hard to make more money in your business. Use all the masculine marketing strategies. Find the instant, proven growth hacking formulas and tactics that are all out there. But it hasn't been working and you're feeling lost, stuck, and confused. And I bet you have sat in your car alone or the shower crying it out because you think something's wrong with you. You don't understand why you can't make it work. You are thinking that maybe you just aren't meant to be successful. And I just want you to know you are not alone in feeling like that. And that is definitely not true. And I'm going to show you why today. So the objective of this masterclass is we are going to learn how to stop the grind, the hustling, and the working hard. We are going to increase your income by doing the work that matters. So this masterclass is for you if you love what you do and you're great at what you do. You just need a better way. You want to spend more time with your loved ones and you want to scale your business without the burnout. What we're going to learn here today is what if being rich isn't what you think it is? The hidden narrative controlling your financial destiny and the unexpected key to wealth that hardly anyone talks about. What if? I want you to just visualize with me and just close your eyes and I want you to picture this. What if you were manifesting clients and money with ease? You felt guided by your intuition and the universe. You reached financial success without the burnout. You are magnetic to people and opportunities without working harder. I want you to really think about how would that make you feel? How would that change your life? You are not broken. There's nothing wrong with you. And you are so brave because you know there is a better way. You are so much smarter than you realize, and you just need the right tools. So, a lot of my clients and even myself, we have this feeling of being stuck. So you might be wondering, why am I feeling stuck? Why am I feeling this way? I have tried all the things and nothing has worked. I know deep down inside I'm meant for more and not living my true potential. I feel a lack of self-confidence, imposter syndrome, fear of failure, and maybe even a fear of being seen. I have been backsliding. I have resistance and a lack of follow through. So because of that, you've been told to fix being stuck. You're doing something wrong. You're not affirming enough. You're not meditating enough. You're not trusting the process. Think positive thoughts and it will all work out. All of these on top of all of the external things that everybody tells you to do. But if those worked, you wouldn't be here right now. And I wouldn't have created this masterclass. And I just want to say that's a big fat wrong. What you have been told about how to be successful and manifest a life bigger than your dreams is wrong. And when you think about feeling stuck, all that is fear. That's all it is. When you feel stuck, you're just scared. You're fearful. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to come next. You don't know what action to take. You do not know what to do to move forward. Hi, my name is May. My birth name is actually Mahealani, but everyone calls me May for short, so whichever you choose is up to you. And this was my story too. Everything that I have said thus far, I felt. I have been told. And if any of that resonates with you, I just want you to know that you're not alone. And I just wanted to really quickly share a little bit about my story with you. So, again, welcome everyone. I'm so glad that you're here. And I am a wife and a mom of two boys. I am an expansion coach and a course creator. And I am obsessed with helping ambitious female entrepreneurs manifest more money without the burnout so that they can make an impact and enjoy life while doing it. So, my journey started, and my husband and I had our own business. We had a business in the auto transport business, and we were making six figures. And on the outside, everything was going great, or it looked like it was going great. But I was miserable inside. I had my own dreams, but I felt like there was no way that I could actually achieve them. I was depressed, lost, and feeling stuck. And I wanted to find my own purpose. I had always wanted to start my own business, but I always had helped my husband and everyone else around me and put myself last. And because of that, I had a lot of resentment in my marriage. And my husband and I were fighting all the time. And I made him the target and the bullseye for all of my problems and just took it out on him when he didn't ask for any of the choices that I made. And because of that, I was actually thinking about leaving my marriage. And because of that, I had to do a lot of work. I was like, am I going to be a single mom with two kids? Or am I going to try and save my marriage since I am the one put myself last? I am the one that sacrificed my dreams. So what am I going to do about it? And I didn't know that if I went on this journey, if my marriage would survive. I had no idea, but that was a chance that I was willing to take. So I spent years studying manifestation, energetics, quantum physics, the brain, neuroplasticity. You name it, I studied it. I wanted to figure out what was wrong with me. And during this process, I actually saw a video about how your brain works and how your brain can be your biggest enemy. And that is what sent me down the rabbit hole. I was done after that. I was hooked. I wanted to learn. Why was I the way I was? Why was success seem so fleeting for me? And so after years of compiling all of this information together into a course for myself so that I could stay on track and being able to manifest amazing things, strengthen my concept of self, strengthen my marriage, manifest trips and money, I went ahead and went on Reddit because I wanted to just share my course with everyone else because it had gotten me and so many people in my circle amazing results, and I wanted to share the wealth. So when I posted it on Reddit, I was floored because that post had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of comments of people requesting my course. And I had such amazing feedback, resources, and things were going great. And I was so happy, but I was scared AF. I was terrified because I was like, what am I doing? I had to figure out how to get this out into the world. And business was booming. But I had done so much work on myself, but I got myself off track again. And I'm sure you can relate to this because I fell prey to all of the masculine marketing tactics, the proven growth strategies, the working harder, the hustle mentality, the grinding, the boss babe, realizing that I had done so much work on myself, but I hadn't healed my relationship with money. And I felt like I still had to work hard for it. And it was frustrating and tiring and exhausting. And I believe as an ambitious entrepreneur, you need to have a better way to run your business so you can have the income and the impact you deserve while enjoying your life. And that's what we're going to go over today. I have a bonus training, which is a manifestation bonus model. It goes over my manifestation method that I and hundreds of my clients use all of the time, and teaching you a manifestation routine and my personal and private resources that I use in my daily life. And if you go ahead and apply for our Magnetic Money Mastery program, this is our coaching container. You can go ahead and get this manifestation bonus model by just going ahead and applying. I did so many things right, and I did so many things wrong. I had to discover this the hard way. You get to cheat and do it the easy way. And you might believe that making more money means the hard way, right? Working 24/7, focusing on implementing strategies, thinking your offers are bad and creating more. You need a huge following and you need to show up every damn day. And this is the easy way. You are doing only 20% of the work. Success energetics and dysregulated nervous system, and doing more does not work. So I want to go over the easy way with you. And so when you're focusing on only 20% of the work, that is all the external things that you're doing. That is all the masculine marketing, the growth hacking strategies, the funnels, ads, the marketing campaigns. And I'm not saying any of those work. They don't work because I use them in my business and they do work. But you're not focusing on that important 80%, which is your inner world, your mindset, your energetics. That, when you do that and you focus on that, that is going to give you 80% of the results in your business. And with success energetics, when you're going through this process of building a business and working harder, we have a dysregulated nervous system. And that puts us in fight or flight mode, feast or famine. And we're going through these loops over and over again because we don't know how to regulate our nervous system, which then causes you to doing more, working harder. It doesn't work and it sends you in a loop. And that loop is overwhelmed to burnout cycle. And it starts with hustle overdrive. You have a desire to make more money in your business. So you go into hustle overdrive. You're making money, but working way too hard, feeling anxiety and overwhelm. Then you go into doubtful plateau. You have increased self-doubt, the fear of failure, and working harder, and your business has come to a plateau. You implement more masculine strategies and forced tactics, and you continue to work harder. You aren't seeing the results and have massive shame and guilt. You can't be present with those that you love. Heck, you don't even have time for yourself. Then you go into stagnation and isolation. And then you start procrastinating, feeling stuck again. You are clouded on what to post, offer, and sell. You feel like a terrible mom, wife, friend. You are overwhelmed and anxious. Then you go into financial panic. You are worrying where your next client is coming from, when the next sale is coming. Fear of looking at your bank account and obsessing about the money that you haven't received yet. Then you're going to go out into burnout and fear. You are tapped out, burnt out. You want to be able to relax and enjoy life, but you're afraid. You're afraid if you stop, no money is going to come in. And at this point is when women often numb themselves. I have clients who they turn to drinking, they turn to other things to regulate their nervous system and just kind of bring them back to a calm state. They're endless scrolling on social media, or they do too much yoga, anything that is not in moderation, just to kind of distract them from the feeling that they're feeling of being out of control. And so let's dive into the 3 secrets that I am going to reveal to you in this masterclass. So secret number 1 is the power of inner wealth transformation. It's not just about the money in the bank, but the value that you attach to yourself and your work. The mindset shift that we need to have is how wealth isn't about hard work alone, but about the right alignment, purpose, and understanding your true worth. Inner wealth isn't about tangible money you have, but the intrinsic value and self-worth you acknowledge within. External wealth like money, possessions, they can be fleeting, but inner wealth is lasting and foundational. The relationship you have with yourself dictates the relationship you have with money. When you believe and value in yourself, you make decisions that reflect that self-worth in your business and in your personal life. Moving from a mindset of scarcity and hard grind to one of abundance, alignment, and recognizing your inherent value. Traditional beliefs often equate hard work with worthiness. If we work more, we deserve more. But that leads to burnout and under-evaluation. It's essential to align with your purpose and passion. Money then just becomes a byproduct of this alignment. When you operate from your true worth, you attract opportunities that resonate with that worth, leading to more fulfilling and lucrative engagements. So I have an activity for you. I want you to write this down. This is going to help you unearth any limiting beliefs that you have. This activity aims to help you identify subconscious blocks and beliefs that might be holding you back from realizing your potential and your worth. So I want you to take a moment and reflect on your deep-seated beliefs about money. What were you told growing up? That maybe money didn't grow on trees, you have to work hard to get money, only lucky people could become wealthy. What experiences did you have that shaped and reinforced those beliefs? I want you to jot those down. It could be something like money is hard to come by, or I'm not deserving of financial success. Beside each limiting belief, write a positive, empowering affirmation that counteracts that belief. For instance, if the limiting belief is money is the root of all evil, your affirmation could be, money is a tool for positive change in my life and the lives of others. And after writing these affirmations, I want you to go ahead and send me some. I would really love to know what affirmations you came up with based on your limiting beliefs.